Hi and welcome to FBE. Today we discuss one of Germany's largest banks, Commerzbank, and we take a look at the credit cards they have on offer. So we'll go over the features of the cards, how to apply for each one, and at the end I will give an overview of some of the drawbacks of these cards and whether or not you should get one of these credit cards from Commerzbank. So with Commerzbank you can choose between 6 credit cards, which gives you a wide variety of options. These cards basically range between the traditional credit cards and the more new age credit cards, of which one is a prepaid option. So let's start with the more new age cards and then move our way up with the premium cards that have a higher spending limit. First up is the Mastercard Debit card, which is technically not a credit card in that sense that it has a credit line. However, it does allow you to use the credit card payment service. So what this card does is it connects to your checking account directly and you can make payments or withdrawals from your checking account. So it operates like a debit card, but it uses the credit card payment system. So this allows you to book hotels, flights, car rentals, and basically use it like a normal credit card. Since this card does not extend you a credit line, there is no credit check, and there's also no monthly payment if you have at least a classic account with Commerzbank. The next up is the prepaid card of Commerzbank. This card is free for everybody between the ages of 14 and 18, and above 18 you pay $39.90 for this card. Now this makes it a great card for parents to give to their children for emergencies or to pay for their gaming accounts, Uber service, food delivery, things like that, where you want to give somebody the option to have access to the credit card payment system without actually having a credit card or being able to have a credit card since you're not 18 years old. Now we move on to the Young Visa card. Now with the Young Visa card you get a small credit limit and Commerzbank will do a credit check to determine what this limit should be. You can then extend this limit by adding funds to the credit account. Now the Young Visa card is mainly aimed at students and part-timers, and the requirements are that you are at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 300 euros deposited into your checking account each month. So as long as you comply with this deposit demand, the card is free to use until the age of 30. Now we move on to the more traditional credit cards, and the first one of these is the classic credit card. Now with the classic credit card, Commerzbank will charge you $39.90 annually, and the credit limit on this card is not set, but it is based upon your personal credit worthiness, so it will be different for everybody. There is however a cash withdrawal limit of 4,000 euros per month. Now this might seem a bit low for some people, but you have to remember that there are a lot of fees involved when doing cash withdrawals with your credit card, so it would make more sense to do it with your checking account, and when you do it with your checking account you don't have this limit of 4,000 euros per month. Now we move on to the gold card, and with the gold card you finally get some extra perks that you're used to when it comes to credit card. Now the gold card costs $99.90 per year, and all transaction and currency fees are the same as with the classic credit card. Where the gold card differs from the classic cards is with the travel package that it offers. This comes with health insurance, travel accident insurance, and cancellation insurance. And the main benefit of these is that they all apply even if you don't book your trip with the gold card. You just have to be an account holder of the gold card. Next to this, you also get a priority pass. This will give you access to airport lounges and can make your travel a lot more comfortable. The final credit card that Commerzbank offers is the premium credit card, and this will be free of charge if you have a premium checking account with the bank. Now the premium checking account is $12.90 per month, and this comes with 2 premium credit cards. On top of the perks that the gold card offers, you also get luggage insurance and flight delay insurance. So that's it for the features of the credit cards, and now that we have a good understanding of what they offer, let's look at the drawbacks that are also present. So the first major drawback of the Commerzbank credit card is simply the cost. Especially the transaction fees are a lot higher than with other German banks. And in fact, if you compare the gold card with the premium card, then it would always make more sense to go for the premium card due to these very high fees. So now the question is it a good idea to opt for any of these credit cards at Commerzbank, or should you go with another German bank? Well, as always, this depends. See, the bank offers a wide range of credit cards, which makes it easier for you to find a card that suits your particular needs. However, due to the extra fees, and they are quite significantly extra compared to other German banks, it does make it a little bit less attractive to use any of these particular cards. So the best cards that Commerzbank basically offers are the Young Visa card and the Premium card. And this basically comes down to that if you are between the ages of 18 and 30 and you need access to a free credit card, then I would go with the Young Visa card. And if you're a frequent traveler, then definitely opt for the premium credit card because this will give you the additional perks. That's it for the Commerzbank credit cards. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Take care.